Worksport has announced a commercial use pilot project with a leading U.S. construction firm that has a fleet comprising over 1,000 trucks. The construction firm has agreed to purchase units of Worksport's Solis solar tonneau cover and COR portable energy system to use and evaluate for broader application to their large truck fleet. This marks the company's first major collaborative project with a large construction industry stakeholder. The pilot project, known as Phase 1, aims to validate the performance, reliability, and practical benefits of Worksport's clean tech solutions in real-world construction environments. The construction company will receive 2 purchase sets of the Worksport Solis and COR systems and provide detailed feedback and performance data in real commercial settings. The company may also create and share marketing and media content for Worksport's use. Upon successful completion of Phase 1, Worksport anticipates moving to a larger-scale order to implement its nanogrid power system for broader use. This collaboration creates a structured roadmap toward large-scale fleet adoption and delivers an invaluable real-world industrial use case for Worksport's COR and Solis nanogrid system. The construction company is a top-tier builder and engineering firm that serves a wide array of institutional and government clients, including the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Department of Homeland Security, U.S. Coast Guard, and General Services Administration (GSA). Their proven track record of delivering complex federal projects opens the door to meaningful exposure with additional future commercial clients. Stephen Rossi, CEO of Worksport, commented that the company believes its COR and Solis systems will be an excellent fit for large commercial work fleets. He expressed excitement about the collaboration and the potential for significant revenue upside opportunities in the future. As the pilot progresses, Worksport expects to gain critical performance insights, foster a deeper partnership, and potentially unlock additional opportunities across both private and public sectors. To make things even better, Worksport reported consecutive months of record-breaking revenues, with May 2025 sales reaching $1.28 million, marking the company's second consecutive month of record-breaking revenue. The company's gross margins have also improved notably, with May gross margins rising 25% over Q1 2025 levels, bringing margins closer to 23%. This improvement is driven by the company's focus on higher-value branded products and greater operational efficiency at its New York manufacturing facility. The company's April and May 2025 revenues have surpassed total Q1 2025 revenue, signaling strong momentum entering the second half of the year. Worksport's active dealer network has expanded from 94 in Q4 2024 to over 550 today, including 2 major national distributors added this spring. Management expects June 2025 to deliver another strong month as 2 recently onboard national distributors ramp up ordering. Stephen Rossi commented that the month of May marks another record, reinforcing that the company's American-made tonneau covers and strategic B2B expansion are delivering real, repeatable results. He expects June 2025 to be even stronger as the company's newest national distributors ramp up orders. With the Solis and COR clean tech products launching this fall, Worksport believes 2025 will prove to be another breakout year that firmly sets the company on a path to long-term growth. The company projects reaching approximately $20 million in revenue by year-end 2025, a scale designed to deliver cash flow positivity and support sustained profitability. Notably, the company's current market capitalization remains below this year's projected revenue, highlighting what management views as a meaningful investment opportunity. Further upside is expected with the anticipated fall 2025 launch of the Solis solar tonneau cover and COR portable nanogrid power system, targeting multi-billion-dollar clean energy and portable power markets. Management believes these high-margin, IP-protected products will accelerate significant consistent growth for the years ahead. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.